everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to draw a face in the Winx style. What I have here is a base from my previous video. If you haven't watched that yet, I recommend checking it out first. You can find the link in the bio or in the top right corner. In that video, I explain my process of drawing bodies, which is something a lot of you have been asking about recently. Now let's get started with the face. To begin, I'm creating a separate layer and a new group of layers, which I'll label face. This helps keep things organized and prevents confusion with the other groups. For sketching, I'm using the same sketching brush I showed in my last video. I start by roughly sketching the face, paying attention to the proportions. Since this face is in a 3/4 view, the right eye will be a bit smaller than the left. A tip I recommend is to rotate your canvas horizontally as you draw. This can help you spot and correct mistakes more easily. So once I'm happy with the rough sketch, I switch to my favorite brush for line art, the technical pen. On a separate layer, I trace over the sketch to create clean lines, and afterwards I make small adjustments if something doesn't look quite right. Next, I focus on the eyes. I create a separate layer to sketch the pupils because I often need to adjust the direction of the gaze. And once I'm satisfied, I repeat the same process. Refine the sketch, add line art, and make any necessary adjustments. For coloring, you can choose any colors you like. However, if you plan to use this base for the future artworks, I suggest working with a grayscale palette. This way you can easily adjust the colors later on different canvases. What I'm doing here is adding shadows to the right eye because it's in the shade, and on the left eye I'm adding white highlights to match the light source, which is coming from the left. For the lips, I'm showing how to add color, but for the final result I'm sticking to the grayscale again. And that's it. That's how I draw a face in the Winx style. If you found this tutorial helpful, let me know in the comments below. Feel free to suggest any other tutorials you'd like to see. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.